The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Arapahoe County in north-central Colorado, western Denver County in north-central Colorado, north-central Douglas County in south-central Colorado, until 12:30 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 11:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located near Arapahoe Park, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: weather spotters reported a tornado. Impact: to repeat, a tornado has been confirmed. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Parker at around 12 a.m., Buckley Air Force Base at around 12:15 a.m. Precautionary preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Man, does it feel good to be back.